Hi guys! Today we fix Snapchat support code SS06. First, you should know that SS06 is usually a temporary restriction. In many cases, it fixes itself automatically after some time. So sometimes, you just need to wait 24 to 48 hours. Now, if it doesn't fix automatically, swipe down from the top of your screen. Turn off your Wi-Fi and switch on mobile data instead. This simple network change can often remove the error. If the issue is still there, go to your home screen. Press and hold the Snapchat app icon. You will see different options appear on the screen. Now, from the options, tap on Remove App, then select Delete App to uninstall Snapchat completely. Don't worry, your account will stay safe. After deleting the app, go to the App Store, search Snapchat and reinstall it again. This fresh installation often fixes hidden issues like SS06. So yeah, that's how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy troubleshooting tutorials.